sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and today I'm on another adventure. Spring is in the air. It's just a few weeks away. So I'm going to be picking up a few things for spring, and I am at Dayton Fruit and Vegetable here. So let's go on in and take a look around. I'm very happy to show you what I picked up at Dayton Fruit and Vegetable, and also behind me things that I picked up at Dollarama. And today's theme is spring, so I've got a lot of springy type things in this bag and also behind me, so I'm excited to show you. I have a few things in this cute little baggie of mine that I picked up at Dayton Fruit and Vegetable. And looky what we have here. I have a few more in this bag as well. Now this year, there's nothing left in there. This year I didn't go overboard on buying seeds, on buying garden seeds. I was very selective, a lot more selective this year, because every year I learn as I go. So I picked out some things that I knew grow quite well in my fishing tote bins that I have in my backyard. I use fishing totes to grow my garden vegetables in, and they work really well. So let's see what I can show you. I have some onions, very practical. Of course, we picked up some pumpkin seeds because Joshua likes to have a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween where he can draw a cute little face. There's one right there. Joshua likes to grow pumpkins and put the little face on and stuff in the fall. So gotta have those pumpkin seeds for Josh. And here's some tomato seeds here. And of course, zucchini grows really well. It usually grows really well in the Nova Scotia temperatures here in this province. Some pickling cucumbers, fingers crossed that these grow well so I can make some dill pickles. Interesting carrots, the different colors. And what's behind? Okay, Josh, he picked out this package of seeds here with the carrots. Joshua was a big help picking out seeds. And cucumbers, I absolutely love cucumbers. Can't have enough cucumbers, I just love them. And there's another one of cucumbers. Da -la 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 -la. And Joshua picked out these beans here. These freeze really, really well. And we just love green beans and yellow beans. Very practical. Some pole beans. Ta-da! And another package of tomato seeds. So I just picked up the 2 this year. I didn't pick up 4 or 5. Sometimes I go overboard just because I get so excited about the vegetable garden. But this year I thought, okay, let's just tone it down. And I just picked up these 2. Now, if someone gives me vegetable seeds, I just love it. So that doesn't bother me in the least. The more the merrier, that's for sure. And here's some more beans. Can't have enough beans too. And some yellow beans. And that's, I think I've covered all the bases. Yes, that's all the seeds that I picked up so far this year. And I forgot to pick up dill. So that's another thing I do have to pick up, is some dill. It's been really, really nice to see the sun coming out more. This winter has kind of been a challenging winter for a lot of people. A lot of people have been going through the winter blues. It's been kind of a different winter this year. I've read about a lot of people going through the winter blues. I've talked to people who are experiencing going through the winter blues. So seeing the sun coming out more definitely does brighten a lot of people's day, and I'm glad too. Just another sign and reminder that warm weather is coming and spring is on the way. I'm so glad. So since spring is on the way, guess what I have back here? Some things here. Well, not everything, but some things here for spring cleaning. At Dollarama, I picked up some paper towels and some Windex to go with them. Also, this multi-purpose cleaner. This here. That looks nice. And this Murphy wood cleaner. Now, I have a lot of wood in my kitchen, like the kitchen cupboards, and all over in my kitchen there's a lot of wood. So I'll be able to use this to get things cleaned up for spring cleaning. Also, I picked up these here. I almost forgot. These scouring pads. These always work so good. I love having these in the house. They do a great job. So that'll help with the spring cleaning as well. Some extra necessities that I picked up at Dollarama. Some shampoo. Some Band-Aids. Some parchment paper. Woohoo! More baking ahead! And some napkins. Some handy dandy napkins. I also picked up these 2 really nice notebooks, workbooks, because I want to put some household notes and things in these books just to keep things in order. It's a new year, so I want to keep certain things in order and buy some brand new books. Oh, I should show you inside, because it says here 3 subjects. It's a 3-subject notebook. So does it have dividers in it? Let's take a peek. Yes, it does. It has some dividers. Oh, I saw one. Okay, there's that one too. Yeah, so this is nice. Really nice and thick too. So there's the one, and there's the other, just to keep my life in order. Buy some brand new workbooks. I wonder if this has yellow inside too. Yep, there it is. So nice dividers to help keep my life organized. So, what do you think of my spring haul, my friends? It's a cute little haul, and I am still sticking to the budget I was mentioning to you in previous videos, where I've taken my budget from the past few years. Well, let's pretend this is a measure. My budget, well, at least it felt like it was a large budget. And I've shrunk it down, because I'm trying to use up things, circulate things, use things up in my cupboards and my pantry and my freezer. And by buying these vegetables here, I do count this as groceries because it's food, so might as well put it in the category of groceries. I'm so glad that you all joined me. This has been a fun video. It's so nice that spring is coming. Isn't that great news? And thank you for keeping me company, and I sure enjoy your presence, my friends, just you being here with me. And if you like this vlog, please give me the YouTube thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. And I have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned. And I'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon, my friends. Bye. Bye.